Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tara Channel. Kaya mag-shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang reading for the month of May, buwan ng Mayo 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Capricorn, okay? Capricorn Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign, this is for you. Okay, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, RenzoTaro444, please follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, ulitin ko po, hindi po ako yung una magme-message para sa inyo, po sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. Kayo po ang mag-chat po sa aking TikTok account at pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng ating private reading. Alright, ulitin ko, this is for you Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign para sa buwan ng May 2026. Sige, kunin na natin yung 10 baraha, huwag na natin papatagalin ito. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Capricorn. Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 4, 5. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and happy. Thank you so much po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi nyo po kayo iniwan. Sige, Capricorn, your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na nating patagalin pa ito. Alright. Let's begin your May 2026 reading with the Six of Pentacles. I can see it's more on May 2026, mabibisi ka Capricorn, but it's more on gastos ang nakikita ka rito. Marami kang pagkakagastusan, marami kang pera na ilalabas. It's more on siguro tulong, maaaring may hihingi sa'yo ng tulong kapamilya, or more on investment also. It's like for a long term. So, by May 2026, nakikita ko talaga parang busy. Parang ang daming perang palabas dito. So, walang masama dito as long as it's for good. But, kung kaya naman o hindi naman talaga importante, huwag na masyadong maggastos or more on expenses. Because I know, Capricorn, you're very good at saving money or tracking your finances. But with this Six of Pentacles, I can see na parang maraming lalapit sa'yo eh. Maraming maaaring mangutang, manghingi ng tulong, or it's related sa finances. But ikaw, I know Capricorn, magaling ka dito. It's more on, kilalanin mo or piliin mo lang yung tutulungan mo. But this is a good virtue. But May 2026, expect talaga na lalabas yung pera mo. It's more on, may pagkakagastusan ka dito or pagkagamitan. 4 of Wands. So, may nakikita tayo dito by May, mga Capricorn na magpo-propose sa yung partner nyo. So, wedding, it's more on siguro anniversary, monthly celebration, or it's like a reunion dito. It's because this is more on wedding. So, it's like, expect if you are single kind of Capricorn na kung may mga nagpaparamdam sa inyo dyan. So, this is it. Okay, this is the best time para mag-entertain naman ng intimate and romantic relationship, to enter a relationship again. And if you have already a partner, married, so you have a spouse, so expect a very smooth, expect a very good communication and relationship na meron ka with the 4 of Wands here. So Capricorn, wow. I can see travel here. May mga Capricorn na magta-travel locally and internationally, or maybe i-connect ko dito sa 4 of Wands. May mga Capricorn ba dyan na nakatambay sa dating site? Because I can see her nasa farm hunting kayo, or I can see a Capricorn na siswertehin na makahanap ng love life na overseas or taga-ibang lugar. But this is more on traveling, moving, but also if you're waiting for something na may kinalaman sa pag-elevate ng position mo sa trabaho, promotion, result ng exam, so expect a very good result here with the Chariot. Something about na mag-move yung position mo from dati na parang stagnancy, walang growth, walang development. So Capricorn, with the Chariot card, i-claim mo nito. So something about your life are going to move and elevate. Alright? So, wow. Queen of Pentacles. So, I can see her talagang masusi mong inaayos or ino-observe. You're thinking a lot of ways, a lot of things to organize your finances. Baka yung sabi dyan, ano naman, wala naman akong pera, anong o-organize ko? This can also include about thinking of ways or steps on how to generate money. Okay, paano kumita? because alam niyo naman ang sitwasyon ng panahon natin ngayon, medyo crisis starts because of what's happening around the world. So apektado tayo. It's more on kumbaga sabi nga natin nagtaasan ng lahat ng bilihin, so that's why it's very necessary na talagang mag extra effort tayo gumawa ng paraan ng pagkakakitaan. Kasi nakikita natin dito, talagang busy-busy ka sa pag-iisip ng paraan ng mga bagay na pwede pa mag-generate ng money or income dito para sa Capricorn by May 2026. Maaring mag-open ka ng mga sidelines, side hustles, o kung ano mga bagay na maaring pagkakitaan mo. Page of Wands here by May 2026, Capricorn. So, don't rush anything. Stay on your lane, stay grounded. Hold your horses, huwag magmamadali. Baka mamaya sa pagmamadali mo, mapatid ka, Capricorn, ha? I know you're very good. I know you're very skillful, talented, and very smart person. But sometimes nag-feel tayo, it's because nagmamadali tayo. We keep on monitoring others' success. We keep on comparing ourselves to others' progress. That's why this page of wands is telling you to appreciate or to be appreciative of what you have. Kung ano meron ka, makontento ka muna. I know, ayan yung tatlong pyramids, ayan yung mga pangarap mo, ayan yung mga gusto mo makamit. But still, hindi naman yan biglaan eh. Hindi to overnight na akala mo may mga tumutubo naman ng mga dahon. So later on, it will bloom. So if you pressure it, kung i-pressure mo sarili mo, i-pressure mo ang sitwasyon na madaliin for you to see the result immediately. So that's not how it will work, Capricorn. Alright? So be appreciative, appreciate what you have, as no, be grateful, okay, for all the blessings na meron ka na. Ang dami mo ng blessings. So, tama na muna yan, dahan-dahan lang. Di naman karera ang buhay, Capricorn. Alright? So, we have 5 cards left here before we proceed to our second row. Ulitin ko po, kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, yan ang pong hingin kong tulong sa inyo, like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And if you're watching this on our TikTok account, please follow na rin po Renzo Taro 44. And if you want to avail a private reading, kayo po ang unang magme-message sa akin, hindi po ako. Pag may nag-chat po sa inyo dyan, scammer po yan. May mga nanggagaya po ng account ko, nag-re-upload ng videos ko. So doble ingat po sa mga manunoko ngayon. Kayo lang po ang unang mag-chat sa akin for private reading. At pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng slot para sa private reading or personal reading mo. Alright, Capricorn, let's continue your May 2026 reading with the Two of Cups. So, I can see her partnership, collaboration. Capricorn, may mga taong makikilala ka, may mga taong lalapit sa iyo na because they saw your potential, they saw your greatness. Magaling ka, matalino ka. So, magaling ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Nakakita sila ng opportunity to grow further if they will work with you. Alright, Capricorn. So, this is more on mabibisi ka by May 2026 sa mga communication. Replying to your emails, inboxes about inquiries sa mga services na ino-offer mo, sa business na meron ka. So, it's more on talking, communication. Okay, mabibisi ang linya. So, expect mo na ito. Right, Capricorn? We have here the Two of Wands. So, Two of Wands and Four of Wands. So, I can see here talaga a new beginning. So, I will relate this to love life or a relationship also. Kasi wedding ito, sabi ko, merong Capricorn na mag-enter. It's like entering a new era of their life. Maybe this is related, sabi ko sa love life. Kung merong for a long time ay kumbaga single. So, expect na merong mga papasok na muli sa relationship dito. And if you're married, so expect it's like a broader, kumbaga mas malayo, mas matayog na pangarap niyo, both of you with your partner. So marami kayong pag-iisipan, maraming gagawin. So kasi nga, di ba sabi ko, expect a very good and very smooth communication with your partner if you're married. So with the Two of Wands here, it's more on, kumbaga, preparation. It's more on visualization of what you really wanted. Okay? So ang ganda nitong mga baraha, Capricorn, for you. Nine of Pentacles. So, with the Chariot card here, sabi ko, this is about movement, travel, elevation, tapos someone na maaaring makilala mo from other place. And if you're waiting for a result, if you're waiting for a, kumbaga, promotion, so with Nine of Pentacles, I can see here stability. Malaki matutulong nito sa kaperahan, improvement ng pera mo by May 2026. Capricorn, so expect growth, expect magiging maganda yung flow ng kaperahan mo dito with the Nine of Pentacles. It's more on, this is a kind of problem na, sabi nga, good problem ito kasi at least nakikita mo na lahat, sabay-sabay. Kumbaga, this is the combination of all the, kumbaga, payment ng lahat ng hard work na binuhos mo lately with all the sacrifices, sleepless nights, tensions, pressure na talagang pinagdaanan mo and na-survive mo. And here is the payment. This will be the reward for you, Capricorn. May 2026, expect a very good flow, a steady flow of finances for you. As andito yung chariot. Tuloy-tuloy ito. Acceleration. Walang makakapara dito. Walang makakatigil dito. Capricorn, ito, Tower card. So, ending of certain situation, collapse of an institution, Queen of Pentacles. Sabi ko, if you're worrying about how to grow your money by May 2026, it's more on, sabi ko, pag-iisip ng mga paraan, mga side hustle. So, tapusin mo na yan, tanggalin mo na yung mga pagdududa mo sa sarili mo, mga takot mo, you're going to make it. Okay? Kumbaga, with the Tower card here, something na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo for your growth and development will be ended by the universe. So, tatanggalin yung kusa, it will collapse, it will, alam mo, iba-ibang paraan, maybe it will be painful or whatever the universe will make, kung anong paraan ang gagawin niya, but it's more on ending. Whether you like it or not, matatanggal talaga yan para sa'yo, Capricorn. Kasi it's not working for you anymore. It's not, the universe knows it that it's not healthy. Toxic na ito, yung sitwasyon. Mapa-friendship man to, relationship, trabaho man yan. So, lagi mo tatandaan kapag may nagtatapos, lagi may kapalit na mas maganda. Rebirth ito for you, Capricorn. Right? So, tapusin natin itong May 2026 reading mo with your 10th and last card, Hierophant. So, you are divinely protected. All your manifestations, so I can see here people looking up at you, talagang nilalapitan ka ng mga tao. Sabi ko nga, by May 2026, there will be people that will be asking for your guidance, for your advice. Lalapit sila yo, makikipag-communicate to ask something. Okay? Kaya ito, tinitingala ka talaga. Your name will be, kumbaga, pag-uusapan. Pumunta ka dito kay ganito. Punta mo si Capricorn kasi yan, makakatulong sa'yo. Yan ang, kumbaga, pagbigay sa'yo ng clarity. Everything about, helping others and, kumbaga, solving others' problem also. And it's more on inspiring other people also. It's because of the hard work that you put. It's because of the success that you are gaining as of now, the happiness that you have. Okay, people will be asking, paano nakagawa ni Capricorn na lahat ng ito busy pero nag-enjoy pa rin, parang walang problema. The blessings are overflowing. So it's like, pag-usapan ka talaga dito. But with the Hierophant card here, it's more on manifestations, divinely protected. Kumbaga, active ang intuition mo. It's more on, kumbaga, spirituality-wise, you are very guided. So, what to worry, Capricorn? This is a very beautiful reading for you for May 2026. I'm praying na marami na sa sign ng Capricorn makapalit ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga Capricorn Consomme sa laging panonood pag-aabang. Nasa mga kayo naroroon ano man ang ginagawa nyo. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.